Hello guys and welcome back to Treasure Digital Valorant players. If you've been experiencing sound issues in Valorant, whether it's version 707 or any later updates, you're not alone. Today, we're here to help you troubleshoot and fix those audio problems. Let's get right into it. Check system sound settings. First thing first, make sure your system sound settings are correctly configured. Confirm that your speakers or headphones are set to the default playback device. Update audio drivers. Outdated or incompatible audio drivers can often be the root of sound issues. Visit your audio device manufacturer's website and update your driver. Verify in-game sound settings. Delve deeper into the in-game settings. Look for specific sound options like voice chat, music, and game sound effects. Make sure they're set to your preference to create the perfect audio atmosphere. Windows sound enhancement. Keep things clean on the Windows side as well. Disable any sound enhancements or effects in your Windows sound settings. Reinstall Valorant. If the audio journals persists, consider reinstalling Valorant because sometimes game files can corrupt it, leading to audio issues. A clean install may just do the trick. Check background applications. Play detective and check for background applications that might be causing conflicts with Valorant, sometimes other software like recording or streaming apps. Hardware issues. Lastly, don't forget your physical audio hardware. Check cables, connectors, and your PC's audio output. Check for game updates. Keep your game up to date, ensure you have the latest updates and patches for Valorant. Game updates often include fixes for known issues including sound problems. And finally, if none of these steps have banished your sound issue, don't hesitate to reach out to Riot Games support. They might have a specific solution for the 707 update or any latest game versions. Sound issues in Valorant can be a real game killer, but with the right steps and a bit of troubleshooting, you can usually get those audio bugs sorted out. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you fixing your Valorant sound issues. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.